Hello, guys and girls. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Johnson FX. So I'll be diving into some little trade that I am actually looking at. So firstly, would I have GBPJPY, Euro AUD, GBPUSD, and NZDCAD. So firstly, let's dive into GBPUSD. Okay, here is GBPUSD. Sorry, GBPJPY. GBPJPY. The recent week it has been so impulsive. Like the sale was really impulsive to this area. The sale was really impulsive to this area, to this level here. It's even had to break this area, this level here, and continue trickling its way to the downside. But in the recent days, like from Monday, we were seeing a rejection. We saw like a push, like impulsively. Look at it on a 4 hour, and it is forming something like a peanut correction. So with that being said, we'll be looking for something really crucial. Yeah, because for it to actually have a momentum to the upside, it still has to form some kind of structure and correct a little bit. So you can see around this area, it has the overall correction here looks like a peanut formation. After this place rejected, still came back again and also came here again, rejected, forming a correction. So we might even see a correction to the downside again to even tag this place, to even tag this level, and continue trickling its way to the upside. Or we might just see its continuation from this correction and show you guys fast. I just see its continuation from this correction. Let's dive into the 15 minutes to see what is happening. So here is the 15 minutes. I even see a correction, like a continuation of this correction to the upside. So I'll be watching this trade. I'll be watching this trade and see how it evolves. Watching the trade and see how it evolves. So that's a quick update on GBPJPY. So let's check GBPUSD. Yeah, let's check GBPUSD. So let's go to the monthly. I quickly want to show something on the monthly. GBPUSD actually reached the low, the lowest low ever formed on GBPUSD. It touched the lowest low, and that was on 1985 or so, February 1985 or so. So we have never even witnessed this kind of price movement to a lowest low. It is so crazy, so crazy. So we'll just see how would take advantage of the opportunities in the lower time frame. So let's go to the daily. Let's go to the daily. Yeah, there's not much thing to look at the daily. Let's dive into 4 hour. 4 hour. Yeah, you can see the structure was broken a little bit. Gave a mass psychology and impulsively rose to the upside and still kind of trying to form a correction or a structure. You can see this scooping type formation. You can see, you might see something like this. But this is the 4 hours. So let's dive into the 1 hour. Let's dive into the 1 hour. So yeah, here is the 1 hour. Here is the 1 hour. It is just as precise as that. Might just see a break here and just still give us this kind of touch here, and it will be ideal for me to take come in, ideal for me to take a risk entry if I can get a touch around this area. It will be ideal for me to take a risk entry to the upside around here. So let's see the 50-minute lower time frame. Let's see how it goes at lower time frame. Let's check for our entry. So here is the 15-minute time frame. You can see impulse correction, trying to form a larger correction for it to push to the upside. Don't know what would happen here. Might just be like another impulse correction. Might still come again to tag this place to give us a double bottom to buy to the upside. So we should just be aware of the potential of the potential threat of this movement. So let's see Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Let's dive into Euro AUD straight up. So let's check the daily. Daily. Yeah, is Euro AUD. This pair I believe is gonna have a huge sell. And see after it got to this level, we had multiple rejection. We had multiple rejection. It came down in like a choppy corrective manner. Let's see that at the 4 hour came down in a corrective manner and now went up to fill the gap here. Now went up to fill this correction, went up in an ascending type formation. You can see the impulse, the middle section, and the and tag this area here. Okay, let's go to the 1 hour, so I would see what is actually happening. Yeah, this is the 1 hour. As I was saying, tagged after the rejection, it came down as a descending type formation. Then it came to fill the correction. You can see impulse, the middle section, and you go to this area, and there is a rejection. And I think I actually this. I've missed this entry right now. I think I missed this entry. I just wanted to make a quick video, and I didn't know when it started dropping. I was meant to take this correction here for it to drop, and I feel I can still have more opportunities to capitalize on this trade. I still feel there are more opportunities to capitalize on this trade when it gets to when it gets to before it gets to the 90% rule, 90% rule at the bottom, because there is a 90% probability that if the candle breaks this place impulsively, there's a 90% probability that it will get to this low. There's a 90% probability that it will get to this low. So I'm not actually chasing the trade. I will just wait and see how it evolves. I'll be taking my entry for about, you know, something like 30 or 20 to 25 pips stop around that range for a 3 or 4%. So there are still more opportunities to capitalize on this trade. There's still more opportunities to capitalize on this trade. That is Euro AUD. Euro AUD. So the last one will be NZDCAD. NZDCAD. This is actually a very, very beautiful, beautiful pair. Let's do the top down first from the daily. You can see the overall trend. The overall trend is actually trending to the downside, and I still feel it still has to come to the downside. It still has to tag this low here. Let's check it on the monthly. Yeah, we still have more room for sell to this low, and even breaking breaking this area, and still we still have we still have a room for target to this area. So there are plenty, tons and tons of opportunities for us to capitalize on this movement. We are in this current market condition, we're having more of sales than buys now. We should actually send a an information to all that the market is actually evolving at this stage. There are so many type of new price action that we haven't witnessed before. So many types. So let's see. This is NZD card. NZD card. Yeah. After the down, well, we have been on a downtrend. So let's see the 4 hour. Yeah. I'm trying to form structure correction. I still feel it's with the information he's giving us, still has the room to get to the downside. Still has room to get to the downside. You can see it has already rallied away from this structure. Let me use my red line. It has rallied away from this structure. It's just trying to make a retest. It has rallied away from that level. You can see, yeah. So it created something like an expanding type formation. Even this small correction here is actually like an expanding type formation. So let's go to the 15 minutes to check for our entry. You can see the pattern here is just kind of, you know, so yeah. Like an expanding type formation. So it's likely we'll be seeing more sales to the downside. More sales to the downside because the impulse, normal nature of the market is impulse correction, continuation, because the correction, yeah. So entering from correction to correction, you can see here like impulse, correction, continuation. So with that being said, we'll be looking for, sales to the downside. So there are tons and tons of opportunities for us to capitalize on. Yeah, something like 6%, which is really, really huge for us. So thank you guys for having me. Please do well to subscribe Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, like, and subscribe. I would really, really appreciate. I'm Johnson FX by name. Thank you for having me.